Subscribe to my channel.
Okay guys, today we are starting our Microsoft Word course. We are taking this as a challenge to complete the course from beginner up to advanced level. So if you are just joining to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe. If you have subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to share the video and give the video a thumbs up, please. Okay, now if you along the way, if you don't catch anything, all right, if you don't get something, please try and leave us a comment so that we can reach out to you and know what are some of the difficulties our audience are facing as well. Please recommend this video to someone you know in need of it, please. Now let us get to our subject. Now this is a whole long tutorial discussing Microsoft Word. Okay, not just discussing Microsoft Word, but for today we are going to be looking at the overview. In this our lesson 1, we'll be looking at the overview of Microsoft Word. The overview of Microsoft Word, far back, make us understand saying Microsoft Word is an element of Microsoft Office, okay, which helps with the creation, editing, and formatting of document. We say it includes the facilities or spells and grammar checking, as well as text formatting. All right, this is just a brief understanding on what this Microsoft Word is. What Microsoft Word is. This is just a brief understanding. Okay, so we are going to be looking at, next to this, we are going to be looking at some things that Microsoft Word take care of for us. All right, some things that Microsoft Word do for us. Okay, next we have creating business papers. We have saving and resuming pre-formatted text. All right, you can save and resume in it. Okay, and Microsoft will also give us the chance to create letter and letterheads as well, resume, invitation card, and we're producing a varieties of letters as well. So within this tutorial, at the end of every series, we are going to be taking on exercise. We'll be taking some exercise as well. So please guys, as you are following this series, please make it your responsibility to do everything. Your responsibility to do everything that you see or doing in this video. So guys, I'm so excited to bring this course to your attention, and I hope that the course help you a lot. So next to it, we are going to be looking at the overview. Okay, how does the Microsoft platform looks like, and what are those key things we need to be looking at when we talk about the Microsoft interface. All right, so next we have here, this is the full interface of Microsoft. All right, at the first edge here, we have documents name, we have document title. From document title, you see the arrow is there telling you this identical section here is document title. We have another place called quick access. All right, the quick access section where we can save, we can go back and forth of do and undo whatsoever action that we perform. All right, and we also have our ribbons. Right, in the ribbons we have more ribbons and we have the ribbons. All right, for more ribbons is where we refer to as the what tab. Right, we have the home tab, we have the insert tabs, we have the page layout tabs, we have the reference tab, we have the mailing tabs, we have review, we have view, we have add in, and so on. All right, okay, find no X7, all of those things there. All right, now in the ribbon tab we have lots of things. Right, now let me make this explicit to you. Every time you open a tab, all right, every time you open a ribbon, what happens is that those elements of the ribbon, they show. Now within this case study we have on our string here, we have the home tab. Okay, the home tab is open, the home ribbon is open. The home ribbon is open. We can see several other things that are on the home ribbon. We are seeing other ribbons like paste, cut, copy, format. All right, these are things that we are seeing. All right, we are seeing on the home ribbon here, we are seeing paste, we are seeing cut, we are seeing copy, we are seeing format, we are seeing in here font, we are seeing paragraph, we are seeing star, we are seeing edit here as well. Okay, so every ribbon, as you open a new ribbon, all of those ribbons that are associated with that identical ribbon, they will show off. All right, all of the options, all of the pretext things or pretext editing or formats, they will show up as well. Okay, so the next thing we'll be looking at is our quick access area. Okay, we can save, we can undo and do here like we were saying, and there's our document title. Now document title have to do with how you save the document. If you save the document as John probably John will be up here. Now let's say for instance you save this document as letter, as your application letter. All right, up here where we have document title, you will find application letter here. All right, now but this document was just saved as document 1. That's the reason you are seeing it up here, document 1, and indicating that this is a Word document. All right, you are seeing the word up here. Now the next thing to look at will be this, our navigation pan, right? Okay, with our navigational bar here, this identical navigational bar help us to navigate throughout the page. All right, throughout the page, using the heading of the page, or using the page number, or using results on the page as well. Now another thing we come to the status bar. All right, on the status bar here, we have so many things that we can notice here. On the status bar, we have page 1 of 1, we have 0 words. All right, meaning this will be giving the total amount of words that you have typed, and this will be giving the total amount of pages that you have worked on. All right, and down here we have English. All right, telling you that our Microsoft language version is English. All right, now this space you see here in this identical square here. All right, in the identical square, this space is our work badge. All right, this is our work badge. This is the place that we type document and other things. Now we come here to view option. In our view option, we have where we can turn it into a web-based view, we can turn it into a bulk view, we can turn it also into our normal view. All right, but we'll go into that more. And as you can see here, we have where into our view option we have area that we can zoom. All right, we can zoom, and also we can increase the zoom, and we can also decrease our zoom as well. Okay, we can zoom in and out, okay, so this is just a brief understanding on the window overview, on Microsoft overview, Microsoft Word overview. Okay, there's a brief understanding on Microsoft overview. So guys, please stay tuned as we open Microsoft and start to perform some things in it. All right, so guys, please stay tuned and head over to lesson 2, where we'll be opening Microsoft ourselves and then be doing some things into Microsoft. So guys, thank you very much. As you have started this journey, please do not give up. All right, do not give up. I will highly appreciate if you guys can just try and memorize these things that you see on the string here. All right, try and memorize these things and that position that you are seeing there in. So guys, thank you very much. I highly appreciate you. See you guys in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. That way we'll keep growing and we'll keep doing more and bringing more on this channel for your learning purpose. So guys, thank you very much. See you in lesson 2.
Subscribe to my channel.